Hey, Finger Life's Math and History, and we are going to take a look at integers. So now we're in the stage where students in elementary school can learn how to add, subtract whole number integers. But wait, this is a bit weird. What exactly is an integer? So, an integer is a positive or negative number, like -3 and 3, -2 and 2, 7 and -6, 6 and 7, 6, 7. So yeah, all these examples are literally integers. So what we're going to do next is we're going to try to simply understand how to show these math problems on a given number line and see why the idea of integers actually makes sense and why it actually works. So right over here, we have that number line that we are asking for. We are going to play around with this green triangle. The triangle is going to point to the right or the left, depending on what the math problem states. For example, we're going to start at 0 and make it a default. 4, so we have to move to 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and it tells us plus. So that means it tells us to go to the right, or look right. So we're going to make the triangle turn to the right, so the point is going to the right. Then we have to move 2 units. So 4, 1, 2. So now we are at 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So that is the easy way of how a student can visually show how to do integers. Let's take another example. So we're going to start at 0. Go to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then since we have a subtract, we're going to go to the left. So look back. So the whole direction of the pointer is going to go the other way. And it's going to face the left side. And then we are going to move by 2. So we're going to go 1, 2. So now it stops. It stops at 2. Perfect. Yeah, I guess we're actually getting the hang of this. What about this one right here? -4 and -2. So we're going to put the triangle back at neutral 0. -4 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. But here's the thing. That subtraction symbol is going to make us go to the left. So look back. And that's going to mean the triangle is going to go backwards to the left. So that tells us right there, move 2 units because we have a number 2 there. 1, 2, and we stop at -6. So yeah, we have more problems coming in the way. So right over here are more problems. Let's see what happens when we try to visually show it on a number line. So we have 4. We're going to start at 4. And we have a negative. So we're going to go this way. Look back. Move 2. So we're going to look back. 1, 2. So it stops at 2. New problem. We have a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have a negative and a negative and a 2. So that tells us the first one is we're going to look back. Then we're going to say move backwards by 2. So we're at 4 right now. We are going to look back, and then we're going to move backwards away from where the triangle is pointing at, 1, 2. So now the triangle stops at positive 6. Wow! So that tells you a negative and a negative make a positive direction. That's cool. But what about this one right here? You have negative 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have go left, look back, move 2. So we're gonna look back and then move 2, 1, 2. And that stops at negative 6. And the last one, we are gonna start at negative 4. And this is telling us, we're gonna write on the bottom, look back. So we're gonna look back right here. Move back 2. So this tells us that the triangle has to move backwards than the opposite it's facing. So since it's going to the left, or it's looking at the left, we are going to go 1, 2. So the triangle stops at negative 2. Negative 2. So yeah, that is how students can master and show their elementary skills and their teacher on how to learn integers on a number line. I hope this video has helped you understand integers. Thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe!